Hello. Today I will be comparing mutual funds, ETFs and fractional shares. What do all of these investment products have in common? They all allow individuals the ability to diversify their portfolio in a cost-friendly manner. Mutual funds are investment companies that purchase stocks, bonds and other investment products and bundle portions of their holdings in redeemable shares. These shares do not trade like stocks or ETFs, instead they may be redeemed for cash daily after market close with their issuer. Depending on the issuer, a fractional share of a mutual fund may be purchased with as little as $1. Imagine owning a portion of hundreds of companies with just a single dollar. That's powerful diversification. Because the majority of mutual funds are actively managed, they can potentially be more costly than the other two investment products that we are discussing. A mutual fund manager typically charges an annual assets under management fee that is worked into the share cost. The average management fee tends to be around 1%. ETFs or exchange-traded funds are also investment companies. They are similar to mutual funds in a couple key ways. The ETF holds stocks, bonds and/or other investment products and issues shares. This is where the similarities end. ETFs, unlike mutual funds, do not trade just once a day, instead they trade during market hours just like stocks with other investors. Because of this in-market trading, ETFs can potentially trade during the day for prices lower or higher than their net asset value calculated by their underlying assets. Most ETFs are passively managed and therefore do not typically have as high of management fees as mutual funds do. Fractional shares are a relatively newer product brought on by companies such as Stash and Sophie that are targeted to please the tech-savvy and low-asset investors. Investors that might be otherwise turned off by ETFs and mutual fund because of a lack of understanding or perhaps wish to specify their holdings more exactly may choose fractional shares as a more suitable alternative. On paper, fractional shares seem like the best option for a lot of investors. Unfortunately, because of their relative newness, the options for fractional shares can be limited both by the company or asset class. Most fractional shares do not trade in real time and are traded at the discretion of the issuer. That being said, Robinhood looks to make real-time fractional share trading available to all very soon.